Hello everyone, today my mom will be making, as you can tell from the title in this video, fried sweet potatoes and fried bananas. Let's get right into it. You can find sweet potatoes at most of your local grocery stores. The tempura batter mix by Mr. Hung can be found at any Asian stores. Add water to the bowl with the batter mix. Make sure not to put in so much water, just the right amount. Mix it up, then add some sesame seeds, as well as some sugar. Mix it up. Now add the potato slices and mix it well. Pour vegetable oil into the heated pan. Now that it's boiled and ready, put in the potato slices one by one, but be careful as the oil is hot and may splash onto you. Slowly move the potatoes around. You can use a chopstick if you'd like, so they can cook evenly. Once you see the color change to like a golden color, turn them carefully, and that's basically it. The same goes with bananas. Hope you guys enjoyed the short video. Have a blessed day and enjoy the food. Bye bye.